Hi, I'm Yashanth. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk everything you need to start your freelancing journey in Fiverr. So I made many videos on how to become a freelancer, how to earn as a freelancer, what are the demanding freelancing skills. But one question that I receive frequently from many of you people is like how to get started actually. Like you said, these are the demanding skill, learn them. I have learned them. This is a Fiverr. I have created an account in Fiverr. But how to actually get my first project, how to post my gigs, how to post my services, how to get my first client, how to earn my first income through Fiverr. So like I thought of making a separate video for that, and this is something that you need. Once you create an account in Fiverr, you have two different modes in Fiverr. Currently I am in selling. So selling in the, like, let's suppose you're a freelancer, then you are selling your services. This is something that you need. And if you switch to buying, it is something like if you want services from others, let's suppose like I need a video editor, then I need to use this one. Remember, you need to use selling one but not the buying one. But like currently I am in buying one. What you need as a freelancer is selling one. You are selling your services, you are not buying services from others. But the reason why I am in buying mode is to show you what are all the demanding skills. So if you want to know what are all the demanding freelancing skills in Fiverr, this tab is something that you need to look out for. So I'm in buying mode currently. If you can see, like these are all the gigs. Like if you post your gig on selling mode, it will be appeared here, so that people who need those services, let's suppose I need a graphic designer, then I will search here like what are all the active gigs, who are all the people actively promoting their services in Fiverr. I will see them and I will reach out to them so that I will get my work done. But if you can see in the top, there were different sections, right? First thing is graphics and design. So these are all the different areas that people are searching for, people are looking for. So like it is a hint that you need to learn any of these services so that you will get high paying freelancing clients. So the graphic design is something, and digital marketing is something. Next, writing services, video editing services. See these, if you can see, I always talk about these four things in general. If you remember in my previous videos, what are all the demanding freelancing skills? So I usually tell only these skills like graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation. So these are the skills I often talk about because these are the high paying skills. These are the skills where people actually need freelancers. For other things, even though there is a programming and tech, not every people actively look at this except the web development part. Not everyone needs these things. So that is the reason why if you learn any of the services, like there are many different gigs available here. If you learn any of these, you will get a high paying thing. So the reason why I'm showing buying mode is just to make you aware of what are all the demanding freelancing skills. Now let's go to selling mode. We are in selling mode, so this is what you actually need. Now you will get to know how to post your gig. If you click the gigs, like this tab will get open. Here you will see create a new gig. Click that. Now you need to talk about what is just something that you want to provide. Let's suppose like video editing. It might be mobile video editing, or it might be Windows or Apple video editing. So video editing, right? So I'm writing a title. Suppose I will edit videos for your YouTube channel. So this is my heading. So I want to tell buyers that I am a video editor and I will edit videos for YouTube channel. Now I need to select category. The category is video and animation. Subcategory video editing. uh, like they are asking like what type of videos that I edit. Like I select YouTube videos or explainer videos. So whatever you feel you are good at. And keywords, this is also important. So if people search for, like if buyers search for some keywords, then if my gig needs to appear there, then I need to make sure I use the right keyword. I also use some Premiere Pro or YouTube videos, YouTube. So these are the keywords that I have used. Now you need to click save and continue. Now you need to select these things. Like if you want to provide it in multiple packages, you can do that, but I don't want all of it. I want to just provide I just want to provide one package. The name of the package is YouTube video editing. I will edit videos in videos for your YouTube. Delivery time, like what is the exact delivery time that you can provide? Let's suppose I will say 1 day delivery. If you can provide me the video 1 day before the scheduled date, like I can edit video within a 1 day. Footage provided by Fiverr. You can also select it, like what is the maximum footage, maximum minutes that you are okay with. Let's suppose you are okay with 30-minute video, you can do that. Now you need to select a running time. Running time is like, so let's suppose the entire footage is of 30 minutes, but it's like unedited footage, right? So you need to cut something, you need to finally provide the running time, like what is the maximum that you are okay with. Let's suppose you are okay with providing an output of 20-minute video, you can select that. You can select other options, like you can also provide these options. So let's suppose I will also provide sound design and mixing, motion graphics, subtitles, thumbnail design. You can also do that. Otherwise you can do it source file, like I will also provide him the source file. Revisions, like how many times you are okay with changes. Let's suppose like you can say one. Now you can select your price. Let's suppose I charge $300 for the video, so this is my price. You can ignore this extra services tab. If you click save and continue, it will also ask you the brief description about your gig. Like I will write the same thing, like I will edit videos of any niche using Premiere Pro. I will deliver videos of any length in 24 hours. I will add music, subtitles, motion graphics, text animations, stock images and videos in the final video. Now you can click save and continue. Now in this section, like you need to add one question that you want to ask to the people who need that. So what are all the things that you need along with the video? Like please also share please also share any branded material such as logos, logo, etc. And what is it, like it is an attachment, right? So you need to click what form it is, add. That's it. Click save and continue. And this is the last step. So here what you need to do is, like you need to upload your sample work. Let's suppose you edited one video, because portfolio is important. So that is the reason, if you have edited any videos in the past, upload that video here. Make sure it was a smaller one. Also need to upload a gig image. Gig can also design that in Canva as well. On Canva you can design that easily here. I'm selecting a background and I'm selecting a text. I, I I will edit YouTube videos for you. The reason why you need it is, like you want to show that in the thumbnail, like people see this first. So you can select different fonts and different thing. The elements you can select different graphics here. Like I want to add this as a background. Let's decrease the transparency. Now it is good. like something like this. So if you spend time, like you can create more attractive one too. I'm just showing it for this video purpose, but in general, if you're posting it, you can spend some time and you can create more attractive one. Simply like create something like this and upload it in the Fiverr. It is how you should post gigs in Fiverr. It is very simple. If you can follow all the steps that I have mentioned, your gig is ready and live. So people who needs those services, if they search for any of the services in buyer mode, then ultimately your service, your gig will be shown to them. And if your the video that you have uploaded, the portfolio video, is really good, then ultimately you will get your first freelancing gig. But make sure you follow all these steps. Just because you created an account in Fiverr, you will not get a project. You need to post your gigs, post multiple gigs, so that many gigs will be shown to people. And if they really like your past work or portfolio, then ultimately you will get your first project. I hope this video would be helpful for all the beginner freelancers out there. Thank you for watching.